Which language will you dey speak as Echie man? Which language?
It like na good morning now. I know Ebola.
Wait, which language will you dey speak? That thing where they speak.
Echie la
Okay, Echie get their own language.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Echie get language now.
So waiting be their language.
Like if na good morning, if na Echie na Ebola.
Ebola.
But if
For morning.
For morning. The Africano if na in the evening up Anyas Oma.
Anyas Oma. Na Echie language be that.
Echie language now.
Okay, I know how they want learn.
Okay. If one learn, if na Igbo, if na morning time go a salach.
No. Tell me Echie, no tell me Igbo.
If Igbo na Ebola. If na during night hours Kachebo or Kachiji
For Echie.
for Echie.
So if you want that person for Echie language, if you want that person for Echie language, I want to eat. I go tell them.
Actually,
Hi, do you know that 200 pieces of these pet bottles can actually give you health insurance cover for 1 month? Or 45 pieces of this can actually give you health insurance cover for 1 month? Ask me how. You just start by signing up to our code by dialing *347*909 # to sign up. And you can get access to healthcare from any pharmacy across Nigeria. Thank you.
What's your name? If you tell us.
okay, my name is Echie Adelenweke.
Ikechi Adielenweke.
Yeah.
All right. Where are you from?
I'm from Echie local government of Rivers State.
Okay, Echie local government of Rivers State. Okay. What you guys come this town? One come know about the people of Echie local government. People when they hear, they get the same culture and tradition with Igbo people for southeast, as they call them. Then they speak Igbo. People for here, are they Igbo people?
I can't tell really because for my father did not tell me like that people are from this place is migrate from Igbo. But when Igbo people come, they say that we always speak the same language with them. But I don't know, but likewise others, like Hausa them, we have different tribes, but their language is the same if they look like. But likewise Igbo and the Echie here. Some Igbo people say that our language look alike, but for me, I'm seeing it like that, but in the other way, I'm not seeing it like that.
Okay, so it means if Igbo man talk, you know go here.
If you hear an Igbo man talk, I will hear, but if the main typical one, but it will be hard for me to hear.
Which one be typical one?
Like Enugu side, Ohafia, this side, Igbo. If it's like Imo State here, we used to hear them a little.
Okay, you used to hear Imo State own.
Yeah.
Okay, now, you get anything when they like Central Igbo, where you know?
You say?
When the language when you say anybody when talk you go hear them. We be and you go know say na Igbo person na him talk am. But if he speak you go hear. You get anything like that?
Yes, of course. Like I said.
Okay, but which language will you dey speak as Echie man? Which language?
It like na good morning now. I know Ebola.
Wait, which language will you dey speak? That thing where they speak.
Echie la
Okay, Echie get their own language.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Echie get language now.
So waiting be their language.
Like if na good morning, if na Echie na Ebola.
Ebola.
But if
For morning.
For morning. The Africano if na in the evening up Anyas Oma.
Anyas Oma. Na Echie language be that.
Echie language now.
Okay, I know how they want learn.
Okay. If one learn, if na Igbo, if na morning time go a salach.
No. Tell me Echie, no tell me Igbo.
If Igbo na Ebola. If na during night hours Kachebo or Kachiji
For Echie.
for Echie.
So if you want that person for Echie language, if you want that person for Echie language, I want to eat. I go tell them.
Actually,
Okay. So if you want that person, say you want go house, I go tell them.
actually Jabolo.
If you want that person for Echie language, say you want marry.
Actually Longwani.
If you want that person for Echie language, say I be man.
Abu Mwoko.
If you want that person for Echie language, say I want sit down.
Actually
If you want that person for Echie language, say this place na my house, how you go tell them?
Bebolom or Hebolom.
Okay, if you want that person for Echie language, say my children they here.
Nobem.
So if you want that person for Echie language, say this place na my land.
Alayabalam.
So
Bebalam. Bebalam.
okay. So and this is Echie language.
Echie language.
So and you know concern Igbo.
I don't know, I don't know, but like if Igbo people come, they will say that it's their language. But this one I'm thinking is Echie that I know because I grown up in Echie. Okay, it's Echie language.
Okay, Igbo people go come talk in their own language.
That Igbo people used to speak this kind of language, but I've never heard this kind of. At times, if I go to Igbo side, like about them, when I speak this my language, they will know say that this language is from Rivers side. Okay,
if you go Aba, come speak this thing where they speak, then they discriminate you. Then they take say, this person no be Igbo.
No, they talk say this language is not from Igbo language. That is this language from Rivers State.
This one where they speak now. Exactly. Aba person go tell you.
And the guy about the shopping side, they go there steady. And they go there steady.
And they go tell you say really say what you speak. Say no be their own.
They will ask me say where are you from? Which language are you speaking like this? I said you are from Rivers.
You don't hear man from Eza before. Eza Ebonyi State.
Ebonyi, a man. That's
you don't hear person speak that Eza dialect.
No.
You never hear?
No.
But you don't, apart from Aba, you don't travel on any other Igbo town?
Like here then, but the major place is Aba and the side there.
Okay. But you know about, you go school, you know about language?
Of course.
You know about dialect inside language?
Like dialect inside language. Like the meaning of your language.
Dialect the inside language. In other land, okay, come so in Igbo. In other land, Igbo na su nolu nolu.
No, of course.
Igbo na su gene.
Different language now.
Igbo na su nolu nolu. You mean?
That means if I come now, if you speak my own, other person will come and speak his own. That is different.
But generally, you mean no free no Igbo.
Okay, mean of na la Igbo.
But a lola wine.
Of course,
Ejomo. In a woman gina how in Igbo.
I don't go. I go and say I even Igbo. I na go say Rivers. I even the Rivers State.
But again here na go na hani Rivers State and didn't how.
The Echie.
And when he was on Igbo.
When I go and say I'm Shibo or I'm part of Igbo. Because I'm Rivers State Echie particular. I'm not going.
A Monday undengwa.
Ngwa is our neighboring this thing here.
Onye ngwa pata gwa nwa no onye ngwa no onye Igbo ke ihe ga-agwa onye ngwa.
Nga obi ihe o choose because ọ na-agwa nwa ya really ebe oshi bịa. So nga agwa ya say why you gwa your son or your children that Igbo onye ngwa. No, all the free to tell.
So go now no begin na iwo onye Echie iwo onye Igbo.
I'm Echie. I don't Igbo for now because many people are talking that Igbo and Echie they are the same thing. But for me, my parents are the one say Igbo or Echie but the same place.
Oji, you might hear Oji.
Oji,
Kedu ihe Oji eme na ala Echie?
Ala Echie ko mmadụ onye bịara ụlọ ga-ewere mee ya welcome ko Oji na.
Ya to wo ihe ndị Igbo na-eme.
No, Igbo na-eme.
Igala awosa na eko mmadụ Oji. Go off on Oji.
There is no and also na-enye mmadụ Oji na give ha na-enye gị Oji.
Ndị Hausa, ibele na Hausa.
Oh, Yoruba there na.
No, Yoruba, Hausa na Yoruba.
Communities, it's about only Oji seed. Mineral is a cola. Water is a cola.
Ngwa, okay. Ngwa no, I ga-akwụsị ebe a. Onye ọbụla nwere ihe ọ ga-eme na nke onwe ya, ị ga-aga jụọ ese onye iwu jụkwa ọnụ ese. Onye nye ndị na-eme ka ha. Ịma ndị a na-akpọ kalabari. Ile ha na-eme ka ofu ihe.
Kalabari.
Na-anụ asụsụ onye kalabari.
No, na-anụcha ya asụsụ.
Ile ha na-eme ka ofu ihe.
Mba na.
Nna gị ọ gwara gị na gịla ndị kalabari na-asụtụ ofu asụsụ beta ọwụ ofu ndị.
Mba, m na ndị kalabari anyị na-asụ for the same language.
Nna gị ọ dị ndụ?
No, they are late.
All right. Ngwa na anyị ga-ala ya.
But at least, gagwato mi ihe m ga-eme so think for outside maybe nhụta na some people need discuss about